We're gonna be nice and neat and orderly, just like Aunt Bee wants us to be.
We are?
Yes, sir. And we're gonna start right here in the kitchen and wash these dishes just like I promised Aunt Bee.
Why? She ain't gonna be here to yell at us.
Well, now, you're looking at it wrong. See, that's like saying you milk a cow to get strong fingers. See, that's the wrong way to look at it. We ain't gonna be nice and neat and orderly to please Aunt Bee. We're gonna be nice and neat and orderly because that's the right way to do things. Now, I'll wash them and you put them away, all right? Right over there. Now, get that all ready. There you are, nothing. Opie, don't you think it might be a good idea for us to dry them before you put them away?
I waited a little before I put them in, like this.
That ain't good enough. Wipe. It really is hard to get clean. I better just save it till I get more time. Yeah, boy, Aunt Bee really is gonna be pleased when she sees how clean and spick and span everything is.
I thought we wasn't gonna be doing it to please Aunt Bee.
Oh, well, there's no harm in killing two birds with one stone, is it?
No, but if I'm gonna be nice and neat and orderly, I sure would like to have a good reason.
I told you the reason. Not with your sleeve.
Oh,
And not with your handkerchief either. Look at here. See that? Great invention. Dish towel. Try that. Opie.
I couldn't help it, Paul. It just kind of slipped away from me.
Well, all right. But next time you break one, I surely would appreciate it if you'd break it before I go to all the trouble of washing.
I'll try.
Hello? Yeah? Yeah, all right. I'll be there. Opie, I got to leave. Somebody knocked down the stop sign over at Spring Street, and I got to go over there and fix it.
What about the dishes, Paul?
Well, I'll give them first chance to get. I tell you what you can do. You can kind of pick up your room a little bit before you go to school.
Okay, Paul.
Okay, don't be late now.
I will, Paul.
Bye.
Bye.